The pull behind Ratchet Rake is a multi-purpose dragging implement that was inspired by our patented loader bucket attachment. This unique dragging implement is constructed with a row of shorter tines and also a row of longer, wider spaced tines. With the removal of 3 bolts, the pull behind Ratchet Rake can be reconfigured to have the shorter tines projecting downward for fine grading. Also, with the shorter tines projecting downward, the adjustment bolt through the hitch tube can be removed to enable the tine bar to be angled 22 degrees to the left or to 22 degrees to the right. With the rake angled, lost gravel can be pulled away from the edges of the driveway and directed inward to fill in the tire depressions or to create a crown. This setting is also recommended for flattening out the washboard texture that is typically caused by a snowplow chattering. The pull behind is also effective with the rake in the straight position. During grading, the aggregate is continuously dislodged by the bottom tines while the top of the rake applies downward pressure, pushing the loose material into the low areas. The Ratchet Rake also continuously mixes larger gravel with finer grading material, which enables better compaction of the driveway's surface. The longer tines measure 4.5 inches. In horse arenas, make certain that the depth of your footing material is adequate and the long tines will not be contacting the underlying drainage aggregate or geotextile fabric. The shorter tines are also recommended for preparing topsoil for seeding. The 48-inch pull behind used in this video is recommended for use on smaller all-terrain vehicles or riding lawn mowers. A 56-inch model is also available for use with larger machines. The pull behind Ratchet Rake is flipped around on its wheels for transport and connects to a drop pin hitch no higher than 12 inches. A hitch ball mount without the ball can be used on machines with a standard hitch receiver. The device is constructed from heavy steel plate and uses industrial-size bolts to ensure durability over decades of harsh use. The pull behind Ratchet Rake can only be purchased at ratchetrake.com. The pull behind Ratchet Rake is shipped as seen here by Federal Express. The hitch pin, large washer, and spring clip are packed inside the hitch tube. To set up the device for use, the hitch tube bolts are removed. The tine bar is separated from the plywood shipping pallet, and the hitch tube is reinstalled with the pair of bolts in this position.